Get ready because the pace of innovation is absolutely breakneck. We're bringing you the absolute latest, the most talked about, and the must-know updates that are shaping our world right now. From groundbreaking partnerships to game-changing tech, you won't want to miss a single second. Let's dive into what's making waves. First up, a major player in embedded systems is getting major recognition from a silicon giant. We've got the details on this prestigious partnership and what it means for the future of technology integration. Then, we're looking at a significant shift in how processors handle memory, a move that could unlock new potential for AI tasks but might leave some users wanting more. We'll break down who benefits and who's still in the dark. Next, a startup focused on revolutionizing cell therapy is teaming up with a powerhouse in accelerated computing. Discover how this collaboration aims to speed up medical breakthroughs and what role cutting-edge GPUs play. And finally, we're examining the market forces impacting a major semiconductor stock, exploring the reasons behind its recent performance and what it signals for the wider tech landscape. Stick around for all the essential updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat on Qualcomm Pulse. A silicon giant recognizes embedded excellence. Trenz Electronic, a prominent name in the development, manufacturing, sales, and integration of FPGA and embedded systems, has been honored as an AMD Partner of the Year 2024. This prestigious award highlights the company's significant contributions and collaborative efforts within the embedded computing sector. Trenz Electronic specializes in delivering a diverse range of modules, development boards, and custom solutions that are critical for advancements in industrial automation, medical technology, and aerospace. The COO of Trenz Electronic, Thomas Brunner, expressed immense gratitude towards AMD, emphasizing the seamless collaboration between the two companies. He stated, "We would like to thank the entire AMD teams for their outstanding collaboration. Working together always feels as if we are just next door, with no oceans between us. AMD is a driving force of innovation, and we are excited to continue shaping the future together. We are truly honored to receive this award from AMD." Brunner further elaborated on the synergy, noting, "At Trenz Electronic, our primary focus lies in advanced hardware development, and we are pleased to see that AMD, especially with the AMD Versal Adaptive SoC product line, is not only close to the pulse of the market, but leading it. For our embedded product customers seeking the Versal portfolio, we see an unprecedented level of potential and demand, and we are eager to discover what the future will bring." This sentiment underscores the mutual respect and shared vision for technological progress between the two organizations. Rhett Whatcott, Director of Global Training and Enablement at AMD, also shared his perspective on the partnership. He commented, "Trenz Electronic has consistently demonstrated a commitment to innovation and excellence, making them a standout company in our journey to advance embedded computing." Whatcott highlighted Trenz Electronic's proactive engagement, stating, "Their proactive engagement with evaluation kits and SOMs exemplifies dedication to delivering impactful solutions to our mutual customers. We are proud to recognize Trenz Electronic as the AMD 2024 Premier Partner of the Year in EMEA, and we look forward to continued success together." This recognition from AMD not only validates Trenz Electronic's efforts, but also solidifies their position as a key partner in driving forward the capabilities of embedded systems, particularly leveraging AMD's cutting-edge Versal Adaptive SoC technology. The collaboration between Trenz Electronic and AMD is pivotal for industries relying on high-performance embedded solutions. By integrating AMD's advanced silicon with Trenz Electronic's specialized hardware development, the companies are set to unlock new possibilities in demanding fields such as industrial automation, where real-time processing and reliability are paramount, medical technology, where precision and safety are critical, and aerospace, which requires robust and high-performance computing for complex operations. The award signifies a successful synergy that promises to accelerate innovation and deliver enhanced value to customers across these vital sectors. This award is a clear indicator of the growing importance of specialized embedded systems and the critical role of strong partnerships in achieving technological breakthroughs. The market's response has been overwhelmingly positive, with industry analysts noting the strategic value of such collaborations in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in embedded computing. This significant industry recognition sets a high bar for innovation. Now, let's shift gears to a different kind of advancement in processor technology. Intel boosts integrated graphics memory for AI. Gamers watch closely. Intel has introduced a new feature for its Core Ultra systems that mirrors an earlier innovation from competitor AMD, aiming to enhance the memory allocation for integrated graphics processing units, IGPUs. This new capability, dubbed Shared GPU Memory Override, empowers users to dedicate a larger portion of system RAM to their integrated graphics, a move particularly beneficial for compact laptops and mobile workstations that forego discrete GPUs. The update, confirmed by Intel's head of graphics and AI evangelism, Bob Duffy, requires the latest Intel Arc drivers to be activated and is positioned as a way to bolster system flexibility, especially for users engaged in AI tools and memory-intensive workloads. The rationale behind this feature is to provide greater control and capacity for tasks that are increasingly reliant on available memory. For individuals running large language models, LLMs, locally, which is becoming a more common practice, memory limitations can often be a significant bottleneck. By increasing the pool of RAM accessible to the integrated graphics, Intel systems are better equipped to handle larger AI models, potentially reducing processing delays and improving the stability of these applications. This could offer a noticeable improvement for researchers, developers, and enthusiasts who do not have access to a dedicated graphics card, making their AI endeavors more efficient. However, the practical benefits of this enhanced shared memory are not uniformly advantageous across all applications. Early testing suggests that while some games might benefit from larger textures being loaded into this expanded memory pool, it could paradoxically lead to performance degradation rather than improvement. This contrasts with AMD's earlier variable graphics memory feature, which was largely marketed as a gaming enhancement. When paired with AMD's fluid motion frames, AFMF, AMD's systems sometimes yielded measurable gains by allowing more game assets to reside directly in memory, though the impact varied significantly depending on the specific game. Intel's adoption of a comparable memory management system signals its intent to remain competitive in the integrated graphics and AI processing spaces. The company is clearly aiming to capture a larger share of the market segment that prioritizes efficiency and integrated solutions. The differing outcomes between AI workloads and gaming highlight a key challenge in optimizing system resources. A feature that benefits one type of task may not necessarily benefit another. This development underscores the ongoing evolution of integrated graphics capabilities, pushing them beyond traditional display output to become more capable processing units for specialized tasks like AI computation. The broader implications of this move are significant for the laptop and mobile computing markets. As devices become thinner and more power efficient, integrated solutions are increasingly favored. Enhancing the capabilities of these integrated graphics through smarter memory allocation is a logical step in meeting the growing demand for on-the-go productivity and AI-powered applications. While gamers might experience mixed results, the potential uplift for AI users is substantial, positioning Intel's Core Ultra platform as a more compelling option for those focused on machine learning, data analysis, and other computationally demanding tasks performed locally. The tech community is keenly observing how this feature will perform in real-world scenarios and across a wider range of applications. The success of Intel's shared GPU memory override could influence future hardware design and software optimization strategies, particularly in the competitive landscape of AI-accelerated computing. This strategic memory allocation opens new doors for AI processing. Now, let's explore how this focus on advanced computing is impacting the world of biotech. AI foundation models for cell therapy receive strategic investment from AMD Ventures. Somite, AI, a company at the forefront of developing foundation models for human stem cells, has announced a significant strategic investment from AMD Ventures. This funding injection follows Somite.ai's successful $47 million Series A funding round, which was led by Qualcomm Ventures in May. The collaboration is set to leverage Somite's innovative capsule-based data generation platform in conjunction with AMD's industry-leading Instinct GPUs, aiming to dramatically enhance the computational power available for training Somite's advanced foundation models. The core mission of Somite.ai is to revolutionize cell therapy by creating large-scale foundation models that can substantially accelerate the development of novel cell therapies. This initiative has the potential to drastically compress development timelines, thereby bringing life-saving treatments to millions of patients much faster than current methods allow. A key differentiator for Somite.ai is its proprietary capsule technology, which generates essential differentiation data at an astonishingly low cost, approximately 1/1000th of traditional methods. This cost-effectiveness unlocks unprecedented scale and precision, which are crucial for training highly effective predictive models. Dr. Mika Breakstone, co-founder and CEO of Somite.ai, articulated the transformative potential of their work, stating, "We are on the cusp of a true breakthrough in data generation for cell-state transitions. Our capsule-based platform provides dense, causal datasets essential for training transformative foundation models. AMD is uniquely positioned to help us deliver on our promise." This highlights the critical role of high-performance computing in advancing complex biological research and the strategic importance of partnering with a leader like AMD. Sagi Paz, head of AMD Ventures, echoed this enthusiasm, drawing parallels between biology and other computational fields. Biology is experiencing a computational revolution similar to language and vision. Somite is clearly leading the way, and AMD Instinct GPUs are built for the demands of their ambitious models. Paz further emphasized the synergy, adding, "We are excited to collaborate with a company converting cutting-edge compute capabilities into meaningful therapies." This statement underscores AMD's commitment to supporting innovations that bridge the gap between advanced computing and real-world applications, particularly in healthcare. The collaboration will involve joint efforts to optimize software tools specifically tailored for biological data analysis and to develop solutions designed for next-generation foundation models. This includes exploring how AMD's hardware architecture can be best utilized to accelerate the complex training processes required for Somite's AI models. The goal is to create a powerful ecosystem where cutting-edge AI and high-performance computing converge to solve critical challenges in medicine. Somite.ai's approach is described as full-stack, encompassing data generation at significantly reduced costs, training of large-scale models with superior predictive power, and the application of these models to discover, refine, and optimize cell therapy applications. The founding team comprises accomplished individuals, including a repeat AI entrepreneur, Dr. Mika Breakstone, who previously founded Chorus AI, acquired for $575 million, the head of the fundamental AI group at MIT, recognized for pioneering foundational research on scaling laws, and 3 members of the National Academy of Science. Based in Boston and commencing operations in January 2024, Somite.ai has already secured approximately $60 million in funding to date. The market's reaction to this news has been highly positive, with venture capital firms and industry analysts recognizing the immense potential of applying AI to cell therapy and the strategic advantage of the AMD partnership. This investment is seen as a validation of Somite.ai's innovative approach and its potential to disrupt the field of regenerative medicine. This powerful alliance is set to accelerate medical breakthroughs. Now, let's turn our attention to the broader market dynamics affecting semiconductor stocks. Macroeconomic headwinds and AI valuation concerns dampen AMD stock. AMD's stock experienced a notable downturn, shedding 2.2% as of 2:20 p.m. ET, amidst broader macroeconomic anxieties and heightened valuation scrutiny surrounding artificial intelligence AI companies. The semiconductor giant's share price initially fell as much as 5% during early trading, though it later recovered some ground in line with a general market uptick. This pullback occurred as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite also registered declines of 0.6% and 1.1%, respectively, indicating a wider market sentiment shift. The recent sell-off in tech stocks appears to be influenced by a combination of factors, including a new research report from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. This study suggests that the integration of generative AI has, for the most part, proven to be an unprofitable venture for businesses. According to the MIT report, a staggering 95% of companies that have adopted generative AI applications have failed to achieve profitability on their investments in the technology. This finding has cast a shadow over the AI sector, prompting investors to reassess the near-term revenue potential and profitability of AI-centric companies, including AMD, whose stock had previously surged by 42% over the preceding 3 months on optimistic projections for its AI data center chips. Furthermore, evolving expectations regarding Federal Reserve interest rate policies are contributing to the pressure on growth stocks like AMD. While investors had anticipated substantial interest rate cuts throughout the year, recent economic data has begun to challenge this outlook. The Bureau of Labor Statistics' July Producer Price Index report, for instance, revealed higher than anticipated inflation levels. This inflationary pressure was further underscored by commentary from major retailers Target and Home Depot in their second quarter earnings reports, which highlighted the impact of tariffs on consumer-facing businesses. An environment of rising inflation could potentially deter the Federal Reserve from implementing the anticipated rate cuts, thereby weakening the bullish sentiment that has supported AMD's stock performance. The market's reaction highlights the sensitivity of technology stocks, particularly those heavily invested in AI, to shifts in economic indicators and investor sentiment. The MIT study's findings on AI profitability raise questions about the sustainability of current valuations in the AI space. If generative AI adoption proves less profitable than anticipated for many businesses, it could temper demand for the specialized hardware, such as AMD's AI chips, that powers these applications. Analysts are closely monitoring the interplay between technological innovation, corporate profitability, and macroeconomic conditions. While AMD's long-term prospects in AI and high-performance computing remain strong, short-term market fluctuations are influenced by these broader economic and sector-specific concerns. The company's ability to navigate these challenges, coupled with the broader market's perception of AI's economic viability, will be crucial for its stock performance in the coming months. The market's response indicates a need for caution and a balanced assessment of growth opportunities against potential economic headwinds. Investors are recalibrating their expectations, seeking clearer evidence of profitability and sustainable growth in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. These market dynamics underscore the complex factors influencing tech giants. Now, let's wrap up with a quick recap of all the top stories. And that's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw Trenz Electronic earn AMD Partner of the Year, Intel enhancing its integrated graphics memory for AI tasks, Somite.ai securing strategic investment from AMD Ventures to advance cell therapy, and AMD facing market pressures due to macroeconomic concerns and AI sector valuations. Don't miss out on future breakdowns. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for your daily dose of tech news, and ring that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Plus, let us know your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all our social channels for more insights.